Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at crypto.com giving you a little update and an additional way to make a couple bucks. And with crypto crashing down the way it has, we need some passive income, let me tell you. So let's look at our MATIC. MATIC, I have two bands of MATIC staked, and you can see MATIC has been pretty stable over the last day or two, some movement, but overall it's down off its highs. Lots of impact in the crypto markets due to regulation coming to the markets. Doing air quotes, I know you can't see it, not a video, but regulation coming to the markets really been taking quite a hit. Now, no, other places have regulated crypto. The US has done it. And saw my last Celsius video where they took away the APR from people. So you can't earn interest anymore. BlockFi, same thing. Here at crypto.com, we still can earn interest on our crypto. Luckily, at least for now. We'll see. I know there's a big lawsuit out there, and we'll see what happens. So, you can see I'm going to stake another round of crypto, Polygon MATIC. Now, it used to be just straight 10%, now it's variable. So let's see what kind of rate I can get for 3 months. Should be pretty interesting to see what I get here. 11%, that's pretty good. Now, I'm going to do 265. Now, that was right about where I want to be. That should give me about a half a MATIC every week. So, pretty decent. And that's 11%. That's more than my last stake of 10%. So, I like that a lot. So, let's see how this works out. I'm on, let's see, I'm tier 2 rates, tier 1 rates, blah, blah, blah. I have plenty of tier 1 rate left because I'm not even close to that number, $30,000. I'm not a baller like that. I wish. All right. So, let's do that. So it's that easy. And now we're earning MATIC, two different groups of it. One 260 and the other's 265. So, stay tuned and we can check in on our earning power here. You can see I'm getting almost half a MATIC a week. So I want to see that to be a whole 0.5 would be beautiful. And with the 11% and the extra 5 MATIC tacked on, I think we're going to be there. So be sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned to my channel for more opportunities to earn passive income with your crypto. While you can, at least. Alright. Anyway, guys, should be an interesting story going forward. No matter what happens, something's going to happen. And it looks like we're getting crushed pretty much across the board. Bitcoin was at 37, 38. Yeah, it's not in a good range right now. Anywhere between 37 and 42, it appears to be in a range. Came down from that 48 that we were looking at before. Really thought we had a good shot at breaking up through 50 again. Nope. Rejected once again. But I am still very bullish long term for crypto. Bitcoin especially is the leader. Store of value. It's going to be good. Still doing periodic purchases of Bitcoin on various platforms. So be sure to subscribe. I think Voyager is probably the way to go right now. We'll see what happens. Anyway, Thanks for watching.